everybody. I just want to give you a taste of what's going on here at Typewriter Partners. We're seeing a moment in history. First jam session with Brett and his drummer. That's the thing we're trying to do here at Typewriter Partners. We're trying to create a space that artists can feel welcome to come in and contribute, collaborate. The point of art is trying to reach through the screen. So feel. That's kind of what we're doing here. See what I mean, man? That was crazy. Typewriter TV.
That's what we do, you know.
Typewriter TV. You want to be on my TV show?